Welcome to News 4 Weather Report for Monday, Turks and Caicos. Thank you much, Alison. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Due to recent developments in the tropics, as you may have noticed earlier, in our local weather conditions, things are changing just a bit. With a mixture of clouds and sunshine overall there, highs made it to about 90. It really felt like 107 degrees with a few scattered showers here and there. Relative humidity was about 70%, while the winds were in fact coming from the east at about 26 miles an hour. Now, here's a synopsis of the Atlantic Basin TCI. There's no question things are brewing just a bit in the tropics. There's tropical rainstorm Claudette, which was a tropical storm earlier today, tropical wave Anna, of course, that also was a tropical depression. And finally, we want to focus our attention this evening on Hurricane Bill. It is the first hurricane for the 2009 Atlantic season, formed early Monday. Located about 975 miles east of the Lesser Antilles, Bill is tracking west-northwest at about 16 miles an hour with maximum sustained winds just over 90 miles gust with 215 miles an hour. Bill should become a Category 2 hurricane this evening. Now, here's the thing with this powerful hurricane so far. It becomes a Category 2 this evening, and it should intensify. It'll continue to intensify as it moves over warm water for the rest of this week. It may well encounter very favorable upper-level wind flow. Now, the dry air that seems to plague Anna, if you remember, is no longer a problem in this area for the Atlantic Basin. Now, these favorable conditions should allow Bill to become a Category 3 hurricane on Wednesday and perhaps a Category 4 by the end of the week. Now, we must also note to our viewers that are watching that given that Bill is several days away from any landmass, so to speak, and computer models are still unreliable this far out, Bill's future path is still in question. And of course, considering the current projected path at this point in time, we want to make sure that you understand that it is a bit premature to say whether or not this system will have direct impact on the Turks and Caicos Islands, other than gusty winds along with heavy showers. However, there are many factors, namely the dry air, as we mentioned earlier, and the shear environment that can cause a shift in the forecast path. So it goes without saying, though, that we should take all the necessary measures to prepare ourselves in the event of a change in its course. So stay with News 4. Weather will have all the latest update for you each and every day throughout the season. Let's get back to local weather conditions now. Becoming cloudy, breezy with showers this evening. We're expecting lows of about 79 degrees in Providence, Charlotte, and of course West Caicos as well. Increasing clouds with showers in north and middle, again with 81 degrees east and south, with 80 windy reports of rain in Grand Turk, the nation's capital, this evening. They're expecting lows of about 81 degrees. The winds are coming from the east, 19 miles an hour, current humidity of 82%. Sunset at 7:13 should rise at 6:24 in the morning. High tide from 7 p.m. this evening. Expect the next low tide. That happens at about 1:24 in the morning as well. Now, here's a look at the 5-day forecast. Turks and Caicos, a few morning showers expected. Otherwise, partly sunny and windy on Tuesday. Highs reaching 94 degrees. Breezy with plenty of sunshine on Wednesday with 105. Partly sunny skies. Breezy with a few showers on Thursday. Highs of 101. Mostly sunny on Friday with 105 degrees. Once again, mostly sunny on Saturday. Highs of 99. Clear skies and breezy at night. However, we're expecting lows of about 81 degrees. That'll take care of your local weather report, TCI. Remember, you can always check the local weather online. Just log on WAV4.com.